Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have an ozone generator machine. These things are great. I had one before that I used in a house that we were having to clean up after some renters. Had a bunch of dogs in there and just made it a total dump. And dogs pooped everywhere and everything like that. And it was just horrible and made it a huge stink. We ran the ozone generator for a few days in a bunch of different rooms where the dogs pooped. And it got rid of the smell, so it was really good. So this is what it looks like here. This is the ozone generator here. It comes with the generator, the manual here, and it comes with some of these signs that say no entry because you don't want to go into the rooms while you're sanitizing it. But let's go ahead and we'll plug this thing in here. Do I have a outlet? One sec, let me go find an outlet. Okay, so here we are. I found an outlet. I just have a portable battery bank. These are always good to have too, so then you can always set up a generator wherever you need it, like in a car or something like that. So this is it here. So we just go to turn it on. You'll have your on and off buttons there for the ozone and that. And then you set your timer based on here. So that would be 60 minutes now, just kind of one of those manual timers. And then that will be putting out the ozone and NAI, so you can have those on to keep it nice and clean. Ooh, I can smell something already, so I'm just turning it off because you're not supposed to be breathing all that. But it does work, and that is what it does. So it's gonna be putting the ozone into the air and cleaning your air and just filtering everything through. It's got a nice, good fan. It was blowing out a decent amount of air, so this is gonna filter it through, and it's great. So if you have a smoker or something like that, you get a car that somebody smoked in or something like that, you can get one of these and stick it in the car for a day, you're good. So totally awesome. These are awesome. Thank you.